video. Before we get started, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. Grab your coffee and let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so I have a haul video for you guys. This is a Jujube haul. This might be my last one for a while. I do want to get one more bag for you guys. I will kind of get into that in a second. I do want to say my husband got me all of these for my birthday / Mother's Day. Yeah, I was so surprised. So let's go ahead and get into what I got. Alright guys, so I don't think I'm going to show you guys in depth of the bag since I did everything that I got. I literally have gotten before in my last Jujube haul. So I feel like I'm just going to kind of show you guys what I got because I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's already get into it. Alright, so the first thing is the MIDI. You guys know, if you guys watched my other haul video, you guys know that I really wanted this print and they kept selling out on Amazon. So Amazon had it like so many times and it sells out in seconds. I feel like it's like a pop-up. If you don't buy it right now, it's gonna be gone. So I got it. I got the MIDI and you guys, look at how beautiful this print is. Are you kidding me? It is so pretty. And then the inside print is even prettier. It's this really cute wands and it has like Alohomora, Wingardium Leviosa. Love it. I'm such a Harry Potter nerd. I told my husband I'm never using this one just because it's so classic to me and I'm so happy I have it. It's so pretty. And then I did get the B set to go with it. It's also really cute because it has like the little charms on it. Here, let me show you both sides. Are so cute. The little Harry Potter, Wizarding World, beautiful gold metal. And then they are double pull the B sets and it comes with 3. So it comes with the 3D sets, different sizes. I really always love the little one. And then it does come with, if you wanted to use the bag as a shoulder strap or if you wanted to use it as a little hand wristlet. I love the material of these and these are all machine washable, guys. This video is not sponsored, by the way. We worked very hard for these. I paid for it with our own money. But I am so happy to finally have this print, guys. I'm never using this. I'm never opening it. The tags are staying on it. I really love this one. I told my husband I'm maybe only thinking about using it if when we go to Universal Studios in a couple years. So that will be the one time that I actually decided to use it. If you want to see more details on any of the products that I'm showing today, I did give you more in depth in my last haul. But yeah, and then the bag is the only thing I don't like about these is they are regular seatbelt straps and they're not like super padded. I really wish they were padded, but other than that, it's such a freaking cute bag and they are very well made. You guys don't have no idea how excited I was for that to come in the mail. I was like, yes, oh my goodness. Okay, I wanted to get a neutral color in the Bestie. So I did. They finally got the neutral shades back in stock. They have this one, I believe a blush one, and a different one. And I honestly forgot which one it is. But I love the size of the Bestie. You can wear it as a shoulder strap, or you could use it as a book bag. The back has these little hooks for it and the sides do too. I feel like this is going to be a perfect bag for me. My diapers fit in here perfectly. If I just needed my diapers and like 2 things and that's it, I head out the door. My daughter still is not potty trained yet. Even when she is, I might still even be able to use this one. But I feel like it's such a cute bag and she could even use these as well. And I love that I could use this as well. I just love that it's all black. Isn't it like so like aesthetically pleasing? Then the inside is a really pretty silky polyester material and it's a really pretty color. My husband was like, that's really cute, like, right? Has a little pocket here and then it has a zipper pocket back here that's pretty much all the way to the bottom of the bag. And then it does have the black, again, strap. And these straps are, again, not padded. They're just regular, like, seatbelt straps. But yeah, that's like the first pocket, the big pocket, and then the smaller one has one little mesh pocket there. But the thing that everybody loves about these bags is that they don't open all the way. They have that little thing, and you can see directly into it, which I really love as well. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited to have this. Oh, and it does have a pocket in the back also. My husband knew I really wanted that, so I'm so happy that I have it now. And to go with that, I really wanted something that was more neon and stood out a lot more, so I decided on this one. And I really want to say this one is, I know it's a B set, but let me see, I think it's a B coral or neon coral, which is so vibrant and beautiful. The color, I don't know if it's coming out to the color, because everywhere I saw it, it looked more red or it looked orange, but this is like a true coral orange highlighter shade. Beautiful. It's so pretty. And then the inside of this is actually really pretty as well. It has like that really cute neon color. The material is different than the actual bag. This one's a little bit more like the olivey one that I showed in my last video. It's more like cloth like, but these are all machine washable. But it is a little bit more of a different material. I prefer the other one, but I love this color. So yeah, these are just the other B sets. They're just all one color. So just wanted to show you guys. And then with the B sets, you can also use it as a wristlet, or you can use it as a crossbody bag, which is, I just feel like that's so cute. Like if I just wanted to leave with this, and my daughter can have one too, and we could just, you know, go about our day. And then when I was getting that, my husband's, can I get one for Gia? And he was like, really? And I'm like, yeah. And he's like, go ahead. So I did. I got my baby a mini B.F.F. The reason I got her a mini was to match this one that was going to be inside my Bestie. So you can see kind of the difference. There is kind of a big difference in size, but this material is different again. It's not the same material as the black Bestie, but it has a nice pocket in the back. She can use it as a book bag or over the shoulder. It has one big pocket, and it has that print inside, guys. I almost caught that. I'm back. Okay. That print is so pretty in the inside, guys. I'm obsessed. It has one mesh pocket back here. I did test it out with the other bag that I have, and a lot of her little coloring books and little stuff do fit nicely inside here. So I'm so happy to have this when she wants to be matching mommy. Along with that as well, I really wanted to try their fuel cells. I have the Be Cool, and I love that I could carry it as a purse. I also wanted to get the fuel cell because it looks, one, I feel like it's just visually pleasing. And I feel like this is, I love that I can just kind of hook it on to the stroller or anything that I need to hook it onto. And I also very much love, because this is to be used for bottles, as a lunch bag, or anything you need like that. It is insulated, but I feel like I can use this also for travel, and use it like to put shampoo, conditioner, makeup, or anything like that. And I absolutely love that it has a zipper up here as well. So yeah, I could even put like her toys and stuff in here if I wanted to, but I really wanted to get this one, and I decided to get the black one just because I wanted something that I can use with pretty much any of my stuff, and I don't have to worry about it. So that is that. And then the last thing I got with that order is the Paci pod. You guys know, if you saw my last video, I wanted to get a neutral shade. I have this on almost everything. I suck at taking those out. But I am going to put Neosporin and bandages in here, so that when if she falls, I am ready to go, and this is outside of the bag, and I don't have to worry about it. So yeah, I got that as well. I got a break. Okay. All right, guys. So I was not planning on making this other order whatsoever, but I know Jujube has a rewards program, so I am kind of part of it. I say kind of because I don't really know how it works. But I do know they sent me an email of 50 off of 75, and I was like, is this real? And I actually clicked on it, and it like the one who sends you the email, and I was like, oh my god, it is from actual them. So I just clicked on it, And you get $50 off of 75. So obviously I spent way more than 75. So I was like, this is the time, because they never have sales on like the new releases. And this one's fairly new and I wanted it so bad. And I told my husband, like, get it. I really want to get the B.F.F in this. Throwing that out there. You might see that in a future video. Might not. I don't know. But I needed it, guys. And my husband saw it. And as soon as he saw it, he's like, I love that. And he rarely says that to a lot of my bags. He loves it. He says it looks like back in the day, like simple kind of style. It is their Disney Mickey Bestie. I really, 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 really want the B.F.F though. But we'll see in the future. Again, it has the same kind of concept here. I am not a huge person on print placement at all. I don't really care, but now I'm like noticing it because I'm becoming a bag addict. But I mean, I'm fine with the way it looks. I didn't get an amazing one, but I'm fine with it. It's still super, super cute. He loves it as like a cream color and not white. It does have the little Mickey zipper pull. And you guys, are you kidding me? Neon yellow. This color is beautiful. You guys can barely see. I feel like it's washing on my camera. But it's so, so pretty. And then the little Jujube Disney is like white. And then when you open the big one, this is actually a Bestie Plus. So it comes with a diaper, I want to say it's like a mat. So I did watch another video, and this mat is so, it's like very thin. Like, I don't know if you guys could even tell. And you can see that this is like coming off of them as well. I don't know what's about that. I'm gonna cut it right now, but I do love how neon it is. But I feel like I could literally put this down and shoot color and stuff on top of it, and I don't have to worry about it, which is what I use these things for now. But yeah, now I gotta cut all these little strings. But I know that their other ones actually have a thicker padded mat. Just the Bestie comes with this little one. Again, I don't really use those, but it's nice to have. Such a pretty neon, guys. And then I just really want to quickly show you guys. This matches. It matches. It goes with it. Like, it doesn't go with it, but it matches, and it does actually fit inside there as well, which is the big B set. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I do want to pack this one for you guys on camera, so let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. It does come with a white strap. I really wish this was black, so I might use my black one for this bag as well when I use it. I just personally don't like white straps, and it is, all those straps for these bags are actually seatbelt straps. But then it has a zipper like the other one, same concept. But the bag is so freaking cute, guys. I'm so happy to have that. And then with that, I also got their B set. You could, I don't know if you guys can hear the difference in texture. I love how this one feels. It just feels so good to me, like well made. And again, it has a little thing here. Again, my husband was so, like, he loved it. And then he's like, you got like good print here. The neon one, you can almost not even see it, but it's so vibrant. It's so pretty, guys. And I can't wait to have this outside and the sun hitting it. Yep. And again, neon on the inside. And then I feel like this is probably the not best print also. Oh, well, no, that one's really good. Print placement. And then the little one, this is the only one that I was like, oh, that kind of sucks. But it's okay. I love the little teeny tiny ones. And again, inside they're all mini. And it comes with the straps for it to be a messenger bag or to be a wristlet. So pretty. So I decided to also get the fuel cell. It's so cute. And this will probably definitely be for a cooler. But again, same thing. And then when you open it, it is neon. And then it has a zipper as well. You guys have no idea how excited I am for these items. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and leave a thumbs up for more videos from me. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single one of you guys that subscribes. It means absolutely everything to me. And I'll see you guys in my next video.